because babe, we're moving forward. We're not, you know what I'm saying? We finna save you some eyelashes, as well as get your lashes on, as well as put you in a predicament to where you don't gotta use no eyeliner. Honey, let me put you on real quick. So this 3-in-1 lash liner is black. I got mine in black because that's what I wear my glue in, as well as what I wear my adhesive in. They sent me 2, and it's in this nice shiny sparkly tube. So let's get it going, you know what I'm saying? I used this last night just to practice it before I was gonna do this video, and girl, when I tell y'all I loved it, I literally loved it. Putting it on was so easy, as well as whenever you using it and everything like that, it's not really hard or difficult to deal with. I don't do eyeliner and stuff like that because I really don't know what I'm doing, but you know what I'm saying, this is so easy. And then there's glue on top of that at the same time. So let me show you. You know what, let me do this in the mirror so I don't mess up. All right, I'm back. Bada yang, bada bing. Let's take a look. Let's just take a look. We got eyeliner and we got lash glue, and we have on top. And you know what, pause, the best part of this project, the product to me, is the fact that it has an eyelash serum inside of it. So instead of putting your eyes through all that damage throughout the day with putting on eyelashes and wearing eyeliner and doing all that different type of stuff, you're putting something on your eyes that is going to help them grow, you guys. Now I'm letting it dry a little bit and then I'm gonna slap on my lashes. Y'all already know. If you already know, you already know. Got some lashes laying around. We gonna put them on. I really want to show y'all how I'm doing it, and it's so hard to do it in this camera, but we're gonna do it. All right, come on now, come on now. Now when you're using the eyelash adhesive, you have to let it dry a little bit to get tacky. But once it gets tacky, as you see, it's grabbing my lash, holding it on there, and bada yang, bada bang. We are done. We got eyeliner as well as eye glue, and then it's an eye serum, and then it's waterproof. You can't beat that. Like, let me know a project or a product that you use, you know what I'm saying, where you have all 3 of these at the same time. I'll wait. I promise I will. So y'all see me dropping lash 1 and lash 2. Oh, bada yang, bada bang. And now we done. We only had to use 1 product to get 2 or 3 different results. We love that type of use. So make sure the next time that you use or you want to buy an eyelash adhesive, eyeliner, as well as an eye serum, you use HighOh. Alright, back. Hold on. Did y'all like that? Go ahead and tell me in the comment section below if you like that. That was your girl's first special content sponsor video. Thank you, HighOh, for sponsoring this video. Because, babe, we're moving forward. We're not finna buy lash glue. We're not finna buy eyeliner. And we're not finna buy eyelash serum. All for 3 different prices, all for 3 different shopping, all for 3 different reasons. We're gonna get the 3-in-1 and we're gonna keep it pushing, you know what I'm saying? But I'm basically really put together, but I did want to talk to y'all, you know what I'm saying, about what I did to my lip, because this is a get ready with me. So the lip is gonna be some brown eyeliner that I had. Boom, brown eyeliner, regular, you know, usually for the eye, but I'm not using it for the eye no more because I got that 3-in-1, period. But the eyeliner as well as some clear gloss. Like, I do eyeliner, 1 layer of clear gloss, and then I just like smudge it. And then I actually put my concealer that I use for my face, smudge it in the middle, mooch it around, and then I put a bunch of gloss on top of that, and boom, bada yang. The look, babe. The look, babe. The look, babe. Hold on. The look, babes. Yes, we're giving. And this dress, because this is a whole dress, y'all really can't see my body, but in the thumbnail pic, it's a full dress. And I got this dress, I think, from Shein. Y'all already know Shein be having like them $1, $2, $3 things at the end of your cart when you finna check out. I'm a fool for it. Every time I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna shop. Click buy. So that's where I got this dress, y'all. My hair is in locks. Y'all already had seen that before, but I hope y'all is loving what it's giving, you know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all for coming to listen to my rant, my little 1-2 about my makeup, as well as my sponsored content from HighOh today. Please let me know if this is the type of content that you like. Drop something in the comment section below. Let me know that you've been watching this whole video, because baby, when I do a giveaway, I'm gonna be looking at that kind of stuff, because I want to give my giveaway stuff away to people who really gonna support your girl, you know what I'm saying? So Thank you guys again. I ain't gonna run too long with the end. Y'all already know I love y'all. Y'all love me. So that is why we get along, baby. You know what I'm saying? Go check out some other stuff on GTV. And you already know I'm gonna be back with another one.